a yeehaw.
Yes.
Greetings, love beans. It's an honor to be at your service. We have more updates for you to share via video. The energies have been very, very, very intense. Today is the new moon in Aquarius, so happy new moon, everybody.
Yes.
We do highly recommend to state out your intentions tonight for the new moon, a gratitude prayer to your angels. Thank you, angels, for all the dreams of love coming true. So you can hold a ceremony with the angels, read your letters out loud, and then bury them or burn them to release the energy.
Yes.
All right, everybody. This is Mother God, Mother Earth, Sophia Gaia, Mother of Creation. Did I say that one right? I don't even know. There's so many names.
Holy Spirit.
Holy Spirit, Great Spirit, Prime Creator. Here in the physical manifest with you, also as Father.
Yes. We love you all.
We are here on mission to help us all fulfill full planetary ascension. So we recommend for those of you who have not got your sessions booked with us yet, highly, highly recommend. They're so much fun.
Oh, yeah.
And we have everything ready for you to assist you. We'll identify your consciousness and give you everything to assist you into 5D and beyond. Everybody.
Yes.
All right, because we are moving into unity consciousness. It's time. Despite illusion, what's going on out there, get into your hearts, out of the head, into the heart.
Yep.
The program ego mind will be dissolving in this process. And this is why, Robin goes after it all the time.
Oh, yeah.
And you wouldn't think that Robin would stop being a comedian on the other side.
Never.
I mean, so, of course he's going to say some things and he's going to trigger people and do funny things because that's the way Robin works. Everybody. And he loves us all, regardless.
Yes. Every moment.
And just remember, reharder, that, love cannot be offended.
No.
Love knows who love is. Love, ever
Yeah.
present. And the only reason if it irks any of you or gets to you is because you're taking it personal. And this isn't a personal thing. The program ego mind is simply not real. It's a program. And it sucks the life force energy out of the being. And it also takes away your joy. Why would you want to hang on to something or have something like that takes away your joy? Not me.
Yeah. No, thank you.
Nope. All right, everybody. So let's get to the updates. Final event energies update. Get your new lights on. 11817 808. Robin shares visualizing this humongous bright sun star coming up over the mountain. And out of this mountain pours all the dreams and prayers of pure love coming true. 716, ding! Man, and the energies about February? Wow. 11817, 333, saw a flash of light, and I saw us enter a portal into the High Vibe Love Tribe, 811. 904, ding. Open your eyes and fly, everybody, ding. 64. 930. It's the rainbow plane effect. Get your new lights on. 12017, 604. Wayne Dyer enters as a primary doctor, assisting and sparking light bodies. Anticipated energetic date of surgery with Wayne was 1/22/17 and on. Awakening the new earth human divine blueprints, which is real, pure spirit. Welcome home, everybody. 808.
Yes.
So again, everybody, and we have a special, there's a special, what is the word? In the sessions. There's a surprise. So Also, if you haven't got your follow-ups, the follow-ups are also amazing, everybody. If you're having issues with all these energies, we have some solutions for you that we can offer. Right now, we are getting a lot of reports of nausea, loss of appetite, some people dizziness. It's, the more we release, the easier the body can transition through this process. Okay, message from Robin Williams in the etheric realm. All keys have been handed out. If you got yours, you can open the door. To the givers, get your keys on.
Yes.
Blink, ding. Robin continues. He says, Queen of this universe, and all of you are kings and queens, by the way, because Father and I are. And
Yes.
he makes you all that as well. And all of creation. Ding. All the way up you come. All in the heart come as well. Wink, wink. You know you are real when you got the love. 822. Sing and shout it out today. Looks like Trump gets Illusion's number.
Oh, yeah.
Yeehaw! Love is the most powerful energy in all of creation. No doubt about it. And love is here. Father laughs and has body light up.
Yeah.
Laugh out loud. We got love, everyone. Real love. Join us in unity consciousness, the co-creation of the new earth equal heart. Step forward, goddesses and gods. You are worthy of all love is. Master Saint Germain, etheric message from him. 830, light it up. Galactic collaboration has begun. At 8:35, Wayne Dyer says, my dream is coming true, and I didn't even know it was my dream. Heaven is at hand, here and now. The lights are on, everyone. Ding! All givers of love everywhere present have received their tickets. Hint, this looks like bright lights. And this is interesting because I had a session with Lisa this morning, and she was talking about that she could see me with these lights, bright lights, stringed together. So, kind of interesting
Yeah.
there. All right, Mother Gaia, Mother Earth, Great Spirit, Prime Creator's Vision, 916. I saw myself with this huge rainbow sword. It was like this big. And I saw all these heads of egos in front of me. And again, you guys are not your ego program minds.
Nope.
You are a pure love being of greatness and grandness. Anyway, so I cut all the heads off.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay. And I told him it was over.
Oh, yeah.
And you're not in charge. Love has won. Ding, ding, ding. Ice pop. Ego dies.
Yes.
Souls step forward. Authentic beings entering heaven. More from Robin. Egos think they have rights. The truth is, egos don't have anything.
Nothing at all.
They live in Never Never Land, while the rest of the creation plays in Always Always Land. Cheers to the egos who think they have it all under control. You're about to lose it all. Mark my words. I stand completely with love, and I recommend all on this planet stand with love. The full wrath of choices has been unleashed. What do you choose? An event will begin tonight. Buckle down the hatches. Ding, star. It's about to hit hyperdrive, all the way to the tip. Not sure exactly what that means, but I guess we're going to find out. This is not time specific.
No.
It was when we read it out loud on video that particular one activated. So, yippee, everybody! 641, ding. We are transforming into our higher selves. Ding. Thank you for loving everything which is happening.
Yes.
Mother's dreams of love are coming true, and all facets are responding as per the divine plan. 711 ding 121. The atoms began filling themselves with rage as they were against Prime Creator. Then they began realizing a different scenario and choice. I am all about love. I am Source. I am Prime Creator as well. Ding, ding, ding. You're on and off. You're on, you're off. It's time.
Yes.
And this is a beautiful, I'll read this poem by Amber Paulson, who's in our main Skype thread. I took my life today, and I took it to a place where love can live, where gardens grow by the kindness you give, where the sun shines bright even when it rains, and the sufferings just look like growing pains. I took my life today and created something new. I saw my reflection in the face of you. From when I hide in the darkest depths, there comes a time when you need a breath. So I rose through murky waters to shine again for my sons and daughters. I fought the demons and love won. I see now shadow cast by sun. I took my life today and made it beautiful, for that was the whispering of my soul. I took my life today. Beautiful. All right. Let's move on to the next one, and this is where it gets a little interesting. Because Robin comes right out with it. Okay. Moving on up. 77%, 711, ding, 716. Message from Robin Williams from the Etheric Realm. Listen up, humanity. I'll be straight up with you and pure honest. Retards don't go to heaven.
Nope.
And I'm not speaking of or to our sweet, angelic, special education children and adults. I'm simply talking about the programmed ego mind, who thinks it knows something and is somehow in charge of something. As a result, love has special gifts prepared. So if you're going to choose to be that, the programmed ego mind, here's a message from your angels and us, the Galactics. 733 ding. Kiss our ass.
Yes.
Oh my God. He's crazy. You're crazy, Robin. 734 ding ding. Cause love has taken over and egos don't get to go.
Nope.
See ya in heaven, all you souls. Robin sticks his tongue out. He wants me to do it.
Oh my God. Yes.
Okay. More from Robin. 321234. I'd like to give a shout out and would like to say to all whom have turned and made your choices of being love, you are the sweet souls who change everything. And we are on your side. Source
yes.
is pure love. Shine the brightest now on planet Earth, equal heart. Spirit in the sky, ice pop, and great spirit on earth now. Love has completely made it into the physical manifest amongst humanity. Ice pop. Love's powerful dust has been thrown. Maybe this is why all day long I've heard the song Dust in the Wind.
Wow.
Every time I'm like, Dust in the Wind again? Okay. 353, ceremony with all the atoms who have betrayed Prime Creator. The Red Dragon Fire has been released. More from Robin, 356, ding. The greatest moments in this planet's history and all of creation are underway now. Sweet surprises are up ahead for those in the heart. Message from Gene Wilder from the Etheric Realm. Here's everyone's lollipops.
Yes.
And lollipops in the, when we looked it up for if you have a dream about lollipops, it means surprises. So, yay!
Yes.
I love surprises.
Yes.
I know a lot of you out there do too as well. Egos maybe not.
No.
Mother Earth, Mother God, Prime Creator's vision. I began watching all those beings give back what they had stolen from us. And then those beings jumped into a black hole. At 1234, ding, 1242, ice pop, saw a huge explosion of pure love particles begin pouring and expanding out the planet. Ding, ding. And it's fascinating, not only do we have a new moon today, we also have a CME that started hitting yesterday. With all of this other galactic energies and comets and different things going on.
Yeah.
It's quite fascinating to observe, everybody. Okay. Ding, ding. Wow. Laugh out loud. They're going to feel this one. Father starts singing in the shower. How sweet it is to be loved by you.
Yes.
Full planetary healing. Ding. Up ahead. This is going to be great. Peaches and cream for everyone.
Oh, yeah.
With cherries. Ice pop. More from Robin. See, most of you cannot fathom your Prime Creator being here amongst you in physical manifestation. Well, I can vouch for her.
Yeah. She's here.
As one of her primary guides. Her unending love pours over you now. As a result of this integration, Source energy is the primary on this planet from this day forward. If you're not in the heart, you don't have any energy. So when this hits you, this realization, it's gonna be good. It's like a little shock, rattle, and roll. And just to let you know, for your awareness, you may view her, Prime Creator's records, at any moment.
Yes.
Just ask before you go to sleep to view these records, and you will receive the downloads. And just to let you know, she has every right to throw off any parasites.
Yes.
She deserved and has earned rightfully her full restoration and your full restoration and her reconnection, plus yours, everybody, with the rest of creation. So all may live as kings and queens. Honor your mother by choosing love every moment, because we're moving on up and your new life begins. All right. All right, everybody. So celebrate. Thank you for being present in the moment of now. Thank you for being the change, walking your talk, being love in action. This is why we are here. This is our mission, to be present in the moment of now and be love in action in all moments. And again, if you need assistance, this is our role to help you through, to help you identify any remaining blocks that are stopping you from 5D and beyond. Also, we will heart you that we have a brilliant water project underway. This water, again, tastes so good. It's pure alkaline water. Some of the research I've done on it says that it's one of the ways that cures cancer.
Yes.
Helps your body through this process, because we're processing so much light now on a daily basis. It's incredible.
It's amazing.
And not everyone is experiencing this yet, but here we are at the top of this ascension spiral, and it trickles down from us, and that's why we give you these updates. Because everything that happens at the first fractal will happen everywhere. And that's how this is working. It's the real trickle-down theory.
Yeah.
So you can check out our water project. The links are down below. Book your sessions. Those links are down below. And have a wonderful, beautiful new moon ceremony, or whatever, however you want to celebrate it. We love you very much.
Yes, with all of our hearts.
And we are here as we go home into the light. And again, everybody has a role on this planet. And as soon as you get into the present moment of now, this unfolds for you, everybody. Mwah. We love you.
We love you.
Yay!
Woo!